Do you need to know Facebook ads in order to start a social media marketing agency? So guys, welcome back to the channel. Montel Gordon here, and in today's video I really want to break down a truly pressing question. It's a question that plagues a lot of you guys and really paralyzes and cripples most people, and it's really not that serious, guys. And the question is, and I always get asked me on social media, is do I need to know Facebook ads in order to start a social media marketing agency? So let's break that down. First of all, forgive me for the lack of quality in the last couple of videos I did. I was just testing out some sort of, new setup. The lighting wasn't really on point. So hopefully today we've got some nice lighting going on. I'm actually looking to pick up a new Canon M50, EOS M50, new Canon. It's a really nice camera, by the way. Really good for vlogging and YouTube, I've heard. But guys, do you need to know Facebook ads in order to start a social media marketing agency? Now, the question isn't so simple. Again, this is one of those, it depends what you want to do now. So guys, if you want to be a glorified freelancer, definitely learn Facebook ads, because here's what's going to happen. You're going to close clients, which you're probably going to struggle with because you're going to have no previous results. You're going to be trying to do this all on your own, and it's going to kind of cripple you. But you're going to be great at Facebook ads, but really bad at selling it because you don't have any results. So what's going to happen is you're going to go around trying to close clients without any previous results. That's going to itself hinder you to even try reach out to clients. You're going to be like, what's the point even reaching out to clients if I don't even know if I can produce results? So there's one thing right there. It really does actually hinder you. Me personally, I've actually stopped thinking as a glorified freelancer, and now I'm thinking more of a business owner and an entrepreneur. Let me break down what I mean. Instead of trying to do this whole business yourself, don't do that. Look at Uber, look at Expedia, copy their business models, copy Netflix business model. They are like bridges, they're bridge businesses. Think about what I'm trying to say here. Expedia, Uber, for example, doesn't even own the cars. They just link the person who's trying to travel with a driver who owns the car, and they take most of the profit. Guys, you want to be the bridge. So what I'm talking about here is you want to go and find a Facebook ads contractor. You can do this through going to Facebook groups. That's the best probably way to do it. If you've got a personal brand like me, you can actually do it like that. You can also go on freelancer websites such as upwork.com, peopleperhour.com, onlinejobs.ph. I think that's a website as well. Go on all those places and say you're looking for a contractor. Now aim to pay them around 20-30% or something like that, and just keep the 80 to 70% profit margins, guys, and start actually thinking like a business owner. It's okay to have 70% profit margins or 80% profit margins. You kind of want to stay really as profitable as you can, of course, because you've got tax to pay. Don't forget about tax, guys. A lot of people seem to forget about tax as well. I'm not going to get into any tax structures. Again, this is not legal advice or anything like that. I think I have to say some dumb shit like that whenever I say stuff. But guys, look, here's the reason why I'm saying you should go and get a contractor. Not only should you go and get a contractor, you should go and get a contractor like right now before you even start your agency, because it's going to give you so much more freedom and flexibility. Here's what it will allow you to do with a contractor. It's going to give you that peace of mind that you know that when you do get a client, they're going to be serviced well and they're going to be happy with your results. So you know that there's no worry of you fucking up the ad campaigns or anything like that. So that's going to give you that confidence to initially reach out anyway. And I think that's one of the reasons why you guys are kind of stuck not reaching out to people, because first of all, you kind of have to believe you can do the business. And if you can't believe you can do the business, which is serving clients primarily, that's what matters most, you won't even attempt to reach out, because you're in that mindset of what's the point even reaching out to business owners if I'm probably going to sell them and for £1,000 a month or $1,000 a month, and I'm not even going to be able to generate them profitable results. So with a contractor, you don't need to worry about that sort of stuff, because you know they're an expert at Facebook ads and they know exactly what they're doing. Especially if you do the job description right and say that you're looking for a very specific type of Facebook ad contractor, such as, you know, somebody who has actual real results that they can show you in whatever niche you're in. So if I was you and you're looking for a contractor, definitely make sure they know they have to provide you with some sort of proof of results for that particular industry you're actually trying to get into, and stick to one industry, guys. Also, a second thing a Facebook ads contractor is going to allow you to do is leverage. Leverage is the 101 of business, guys. Leverage is business. Somebody's got something you want, you've got money, you change. That's basically leverage. You've got a pain problem, they have a solution. That's leverage right there. Business is leverage. It's just business 101. It's the bare bones of business, basically. So guys, what I'm talking about here is, with a Facebook ads contractor, you can actually utilize their own results and say that that they are your team, and that your team's been able to generate X amount of leads for real estate agents or X amount of leads for gym owners. And you can literally say that when you get a contractor, you can literally say that your agency's been working with multi-million-dollar ad sets and stuff like that. And this is where all these like agencies get their authority from. Most of them don't even know how to really run ads themselves. Well, they kind of do, but they don't know how to handle massive ad budgets or like know what they're actually doing. If you take a look at the top agency owners, they have a solid team around them, and they can leverage their team's results and position it as their own results, which is not actually unethical, guys, because think about it. If you find a contractor that has amazing results in the real estate niche, he's been working with massive clients, you can actually name drop his clients and say that your team member was able to do this at your agency, and now that makes your agency look like you got the results yourself. Besides, you're not even supposed to be generating the results yourself, guys. Don't be a glorified freelancer. You want to be a business owner. You want to be able to work on the business, set up systems instead of working in the business, which is, you know, delivering the results yourself. Even, for example, like cold calling itself, you should realistically be outsourcing that as well, I believe. I'm really now starting to change my mindset as I'm becoming more of a mature entrepreneur. And I'm actually, by the way, it's funny that I said that, I'm actually looking for 2 salespeople right now. I'm looking for a cold caller who needs to be based in the UK, and I just released a video last night as to what the 2 actual roles entail. So if you're interested in working and becoming a part of my agency and my team, you get paid based on commission, which basically means your pay is uncapped. You get to choose your own hours, you get to work from home, you can work at your own pace, basically, as long as it's done before like 5 p.m. UK time. I'm happy with that. And the reason why I say you should be focusing on like building systems is because that's how real business owners think. They hire sales teams, they hire people who deliver the service. They're just the bridge, basically. So if you can get an appointment setter, he sets the appointments for you, you close the client then gets passed on to your contractor. You do zero work, basically. But it's because you're an expert at running a team. So I actually believe that running a team and becoming like not a manager, but like an actual business owner, so where you can manage people, that's what I'm trying to say. When you can manage people, that's the most valuable skill. So guys, I personally don't believe you should run the Facebook ads yourself. Another reason as to why you shouldn't run the ads yourself and learn Facebook ads and stuff like that is because it's going to take you a long time. You're probably not going to be great at it. And to actually learn Facebook ads, you need to be in the field. Like, I've been through a bunch of courses that have tried teaching me Facebook ads, and it just doesn't seem to work. That's why I don't really teach Facebook ads to like my consulting clients when they come on into one of my 4-week mentorship programs. I just don't do it because I don't believe that you can learn Facebook ads that way. Facebook ads is more of a trial and error type of thing. I can literally lay down to you the exact ad copy, the exact ad image, the exact targeting, the exact marketing objective. You can go and run that ad and it will be a complete win for me, and it could be a complete loss for you. And that's what I found with this Facebook ad stuff. It's all about trial and error, and there's just too many variables that go into it, such as where your client's actually located, what sort of businesses it is, what the culture's like around that local area, all that sort of stuff. And again, guys, the last reason, I believe it's like reason 4 or 5, I kind of lost count. I'm just making sure I go off the top of my head here, but Another reason why you want to hire a contractor is because everybody wins, guys. You win because you don't have to do the work and deliver it as yourself. Your client themselves win because they are they're getting ads, profitable ads run for them, and so they're happy, so that's a win. And also your contractor, he's getting paid good money as well, just to run the ads for your client. So everybody wins. The contractor's getting paid, so he's happy. Your client themselves are getting great ads run for them, and their business is growing, so they're happy. And you're getting paid from your client and not even doing any of the work, so you're definitely happy. So it's like a win-win-win situation, guys. So definitely, if I was you, and this is something I would tell myself if I was to go back at the start of my journey, just go and hire a contractor, a Facebook ads contractor, because that way you can actually leverage their results and even build like case study videos and then use inbound sales. You can actually just literally create a video on how my agency was able to generate X amount of leads for this industry, and it's not even your results, it's just the contractor's results, but he's on your team now. So it actually makes your agency look better than it actually is, which is not, again, unethical, because what you're going to do is close clients and pass them straight to that same contractor anyway, and he's going to be able to produce those results. So it's all about leverage, guys. So that being said, I highly recommend you go get a Facebook ads contractor. I'm really starting to believe in business systems now. Instead of being a glorified freelancer, I'm now starting to think like a real business owner and entrepreneur, using leverage, utilizing resources such as human resources, systems, software, that sort of stuff. That's what you really want to be doing. Focus on working on the business, not in the business. So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.